Did you know that each year more than 1 million taxpayers pay more tax than they need to? It's often because they miss out on claiming important business expenses. While larger businesses save big by planning ahead, smaller businesses can too. Let's make sure you are not leaving money on the table. Claim those expenses and keep more in your pocket. Hi everyone, I'm Rubina, your go-to accountant, passionate about empowering small businesses to thrive and slash their tax bills. In this video, I will walk you through the main business tax expenses you can claim to ensure you are not overpaying taxes. I was inspired to make this video after meeting a new client who had not claimed most of their business expenses in prior years, leading to overpaid taxes. Let's dive in. Let me share an example. Imagine a business with a revenue of £500,000 and actual expenses of £400,000. If they only deduct £300,000 due to poor record keeping, they end up overpaying tax on £100,000. This situation might be different from yours, but even missing a single tax write-off can cost you. You are probably familiar with the concept of allowable business expenses. Today we are breaking it down so you can understand what you can claim to reduce your taxable profit. So, what are allowable expenses? You can deduct these costs from your business income to work out your taxable profit. Remember, allowable expenses don't include money you take from your business for personal use. Here is a list of major business costs you can claim as allowable expenses. Number 1, office costs. Think about stationery, phone bills, or anything you use to run your office. If you use something for both business and personal, you can only claim the business part. For example, if your mobile phone bill is £500 a year and you spend £150 on personal calls and £350 on business calls, you can only claim £350 as a business expense. Number 2, travel costs. This includes fuel, parking, train, or bus fares. Remember, you cannot claim for non-business driving or travel costs, fines or penalties, travel between home and work. You can use the flat rate scheme for mileage instead of the actual cost of buying and running your vehicle. The rates for flat rate scheme are cars and goods vehicles on first 10,000 miles 45 pence per mile and subsequently 25 pence per mile, while on motorcycles you can claim 24 pence per mile. For example, you drive 12,000 business miles over the year. You can claim on first 10,000 miles at the rate of 45 pence per mile equal to £4,500 and on 2,000 miles at 25 pence per mile at £500. So total you can claim £5,000. But note, you cannot claim a flat rate for a vehicle you have already claimed capital allowances. Once you use the flat rates for a vehicle, you must continue to do so as long as you use that vehicle for your business. You can claim all other travel expenses like train journeys and parking on top of your vehicle expenses. Number 3, clothing. You can claim expenses for uniforms, protective clothing needed for your work, costumes for actors or entertainers. But you cannot claim for everyday clothing, even if you wear it for work. Number 4. Staff costs. You can claim for employee and staff salaries, bonuses, pensions, and benefits. Subcontractors' costs, employers' national insurance, training courses related to your business. But be careful, you cannot claim for carers or domestic workers like nannies. Number 5. Stock or raw material costs. Anything you buy to sell, like finished goods for resale, direct costs for producing goods, but you cannot claim for any goods or materials bought for private use. Number 6. Legal and professional costs. Accountancy, legal, and other professional fees can count as allowable business expenses. You can claim costs for hiring of accountants, solicitors, surveyors, and architects for business reasons. Professional indemnity insurance premiums. But you cannot claim for legal costs of buying property and machinery. If you use traditional accounting, claim for these costs as capital allowance. Fines for breaking the law. Number 7. Financial costs. You can claim business costs for bank overdraft and credit card charges, interest on bank and business loans. You cannot claim for repayments of loans, overdrafts, or finance arrangements. Number 8. Business premises costs. You can claim expenses for rent for business premises, business and water rates, utility bills, property insurance, security costs. But you cannot claim expenses or allowances for buying building premises. Claim expenses for repairs and maintenance as well of business premises and equipment. If you are using your home as an office, you can only claim the part that is used for business. Number 9. Advertising or marketing costs. You can claim expenses for advertising in newspapers or directories, free samples, and website costs. You cannot claim for entertaining clients, suppliers, and customers. Regarding subscriptions, you can claim for trade or professional journals, trade body or professional organizations membership subscriptions if related to your business. But you cannot claim for payments to political parties or gym membership fees. Number 10. Training courses. You can claim business expenses for training that helps you improve the skills and knowledge you currently use for your business. Develop new skills and knowledge related to changes in your industry. Develop new skills and knowledge to support your business. You cannot claim for training courses that help you start a new business, expand into new areas of business that are not directly related to what you currently do. How to claim these expenses? It is advisable to use bookkeeping software like QuickBooks, Xero, or any other software to keep records of all your business expenses as proof of your costs. You do not need to send in proof of expenses when you submit your tax return. But you should keep proof and records so you can show these to HMRC if asked. You must make sure your records are accurate. You can't claim expenses if you are using the Part 1000 tax-free trading allowance. If you use something for both business and personal, you can only claim the business part. Understanding allowable expenses helps you reduce your taxable profit, meaning you pay less tax. If you have any questions or need more information, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your self-employed business. Thanks for watching and see you next time.